Welcome to FinTech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI tools, trading bots, and FinTech innovations, make sure you subscribe. Alright, let's dive into something super relevant for 2026, AI-powered day trading apps. The game is changing, and if you're still manually scanning charts, you're probably leaving money on the table. These AI apps are not just about speed, it's about consistency, removing emotion, and automating the grunt work. So, what exactly is an AI day trading app? Think of it as your turbocharged co-pilot. It's not just spitting out random buy-sell signals. We're talking real-time pattern recognition, automated entries and exits, and backtesting tools to refine your strategies before you risk real cash. The key is finding the right tool for your style. Some are managed services, some are signal generators, and others are automation powerhouses. Choose wisely. Why is AI such a game changer for day trading? Timing. Day traders need to react instantly. AI helps you cut through the noise, identify those fleeting intraday opportunities, and execute trades faster than you ever could manually. Plus, it helps eliminate those emotional mistakes that can wreck your account. Backtesting, simulations, automation, it all leads to more consistent results. Let's jump into my top 3 picks for 2026. First up, MoneyFlare. I'm calling this the best for beginners. It's all about simplicity and managed AI. Think automated strategy execution and daily monitoring, without having to build a system from scratch. You aren't expected to build scanners or tune indicators. This makes it super accessible for newbies. Register and receive $10 in real earnings and $50 in trial credit for free. Next, we have Trade Ideas. This is the app for real-time signals and fast execution. Holly AI gives you entry and exit signals with no configuration needed. The platform also has AI-powered momentum detection, backtesting, and direct broker integration. Great for traders who want action, not just general market chatter. Finally, TrendSpider. This platform is complete for analysis and automation. Think AI Strategy Lab, Sidekick AI, no-code bots, and cloud-based alerts. TrendSpider shortens the path from idea to action, allowing you to automate your market monitoring, entries, and exits. Perfect for faster response times, even without coding. Sign up for the FinTech Bot Focus newsletter before you go. Make sure you join the FinTech Bot Focus newsletter. You'll get updates on new bots and AI features, strategy breakdowns, my honest takes on what's working, early looks at new automated trading tools, and you can reply with video topics you want covered. The link is in the description. Join the community and stay ahead of the automation curve. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Trading, especially automated trading, involves risk. Always trade at your own risk and test everything before going live.